Hey, welcome to the Renaissance. This unit 106 at 1718 14th Avenue is just spectacular. So this is the entrance right off where the sort of the concierge is. There's the meeting room, common area. And this is the entrance, library, games room, all sorts of amenities at this really great building complex. So here's the entrance for your realtors and short-term visitors. You'd come off 14th Street and park just outside this window door and get buzzed in by the 24-hour concierge. Really nice gym, really bright, great facility. So there's an east tower and a west tower here. We're in the east tower of this unit, 106.
There's bike storage here.
And then here, there's lots of, this is bike parking storage for their bikes. There's a car wash here.
In the summer. And I just want to see that storage again. Storage number.
And your great, it's about an 8-foot by 7-foot storage unit. Number 28 for this unit. And the parking is right there's the main big door garage, you can see. And then you sort of just come around. And I'm about to show you your parking. So untitled parking.
Okay.
Store parking 139. So let's go check out our unit here, right off the elevator. You see the kitchen right inside the door. And we're going to go into the big storage. Laundry, more front door closet, I suppose. There's the kitchen, living area. You'll love that fireplace. And then you have the bathroom off here to the left. So not an ensuite, but again, there's only one bedroom. And you got a shower, standalone shower and tub. And there's the bedroom, master, or I guess the only bedroom. And this is a little unusual. This door here takes you to a really great den, office, craft room, really bright, facing north, Nosehill Park off there in the distance. And we're looking at the top of the Northhill Mall, the roof of the Northhill Mall. You start to get a sense of this unit accesses the really big, large roof patio that I'm going to show you here in a couple of minutes. So I'm turning around, looking at the fireplace. I slow it down here because I wanted to see the bedroom here. Actually, I guess we call it a office, craft room, den. This unit has been rented in the past to students, and they actually have used that as a bedroom. Now we just walk out of the unit, and there's 20 steps out the door. We have this rooftop deck, just gorgeous. So you get a sense of looking downtown, and a beautiful building. Great. Most units have these outdoor patios. Well, our unit doesn't. It has this, totally easy, accessible, lovely deck, gazebos, common spacious. Lots of space. I've never seen such a great rooftop deck in Calgary, any building I've been in. Now we're looking down towards the LRT, just, 200 meters away. And again, from your unit, you can access like this door through that bridge, going to the south and all the parks near there. Now we're back sort of in the Northhill parking. That door that you saw is the access door to the unit. So great access. Anyway, please reach out if you have interest.